Nestled in the heart of Europe lies one of the world's smallest yet most enduring republics, San Marino. With a history reaching back over 1,700 years, it stands as a symbol of resilience, tradition, and innovation. As 2025 approaches, San Marino is embarking on a new chapter. The nation's economic vision is clear: to foster sustainable growth while preserving its unique identity. Forward-looking initiatives support local businesses and attract international investment, strengthening sectors like finance, tourism, and technology. Strategic partnerships are placing San Marino at the forefront of digital transformation, including ambitions to become a leading digital hub in the region. Culturally, San Marino remains dedicated to honoring its rich heritage. Festivals and celebrations are evolving to invite greater participation, both from citizens and a global audience. Investments in art, education, and historical preservation are breathing new life into the nation's ancient streets, ensuring that tradition meets opportunity at every corner. On the infrastructural front, modernization goes hand in hand with sustainability. Upgrades to transport and energy systems focus on eco-friendly solutions and seamless connectivity, making daily life more efficient while safeguarding the environment for generations to come. San Marino's future is bright, defined by a harmonious blend of history and progress. This is a nation committed to the well-being of its people and the promise of new horizons. As 2025 dawns, San Marino extends an invitation to the world to witness a modern renaissance, guided by the enduring spirit of one of Europe's oldest republics.